All right, Kyla, so welcome back.
It's a hamster.
Do you want to go take a look at your room?
Yeah.
Tell me what you see on the door.
A picture of me? Can I go in?
It's your room. Why wouldn't you be able to go in?
Can I get out?
It's your room. Why not?
Can I?
What are you asking me for? That's your dad.
It's your room.
Can I?
What do you think?
What do you think? What do you think?
Those are new craft. What are those? I bet you there's a kudu.
And something is for you.
Where are you going?
I have something